Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to import leads into Zoho CRM. So here I have the dashboard launched up. Now I want you to come here to the left hand panel, click on leads. Now from here at the top right, you'll see this button that says create lead, but go ahead and click on this down arrow and then click on import leads. Okay, we have two options. We can either import from a file, we can drag and drop your file, or browse from your computer or from other CRMs. For example, if I click on which CRM are you coming from, and then click on this down arrow, it's going to give me a lot of different options. For example, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics 365, Pipedrive, HubSpot. So you select any of those, right? Click on and next, and then they're just going to ask you to log in and integrate. It's a very simple process. You just log in basically. Now the other one is using file. Okay. So I can come over here to any of my lead extractor tools, for example, Lucia, Apollo, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, any of that. So I have my leads. I click on this to highlight all of them. And then I just click on CSV, this button right here, to download the CSV. I come here to Zoho. Okay. You just drag and drop these exported contacts. There we go. They have been uploaded successfully. Go ahead and click on next. They're going to ask you what do you want to do with the records. So you can either add them as new leads, update the existing leads only, or both. I'll click on add as new leads. And if you want to set some criteria, you can do that. I'll go ahead and just click on next. Now they have mapped fields for us. You can check out all of the mapped fields and all the unmapped fields as well. So whatever is important to you, go ahead and map it and keep that. I'll go ahead and click on next. There we go. That is okay. Click on yes, continue. If you want to set any assignment rules, assign owners based on that, you can go ahead and do that. If you want to trigger automation, you can do that. If there's follow-up tasks, you can set those up. But the main thing is just click on this to confirm. And there we go. Click on finish right here. And the leads import has been scheduled. It will take a few minutes. It'll actually notify you via email. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. There you go. It has been imported successfully.